Want to send high-quality HD videos on WhatsApp without losing quality? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send HD videos on WhatsApp step by step. First, open WhatsApp. Go to the chat or group where you want to send the video. If you're recording a new video, tap the camera icon and record it. If the video is already in your gallery, tap the plus icon on iPhone or the paperclip icon on Android. Now tap Photos and select the video you want to send. Before sending, look at the top of the screen. Tap the HD button. Select HD quality. WhatsApp will tell you that HD videos look clearer but take longer to send. Once HD is enabled, tap the Send button. You'll see an HD label on the video, confirming it's being sent in high quality. And that's it. You've successfully sent a high-quality HD video on WhatsApp. Like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.